you doing this morning? This is Don, idletools.com. All right, I am the GunMuse. All right, guys, this is going to be a little bitty short status update because I'm wanting to take the little test account that I showed in the other video, and I'm wanting to add some money to it because we were talking about stalling. Okay, now Bitcoin hit a little high the day before, 45, and then it dipped down to 42, 43, and it stalled the bots because I should have only had 4 in there, and I built another couple in the middle of the week, and I shouldn't have done it, and I didn't have enough money to run everything, and so I stalled everything. So we're going to show you the results, and because you're going to make this mistake, all right? And I want to encourage you not to panic when you make this mistake. Don't go in there and say, oh, crap, I got to sell all that stuff at a loss. Don't sell it at a loss. Wait it out. Unless it's going to be, unless you've done the math and go, oh, my God, this is going to be forever. So we're going to refresh what we went over last time. For those who don't want to go watch the longer video, it's like 30 minutes. I encourage you to watch it. I will put a link to it that's popping up above my head right now, where we go over what to look and what not to look. But I'll do a quick, fast run through on this. Okay, so we see negative $3,200 right here. Oh my God. I'm not taking financial advice from a guy that has a negative number. You need to take it financial advice because of why that's a negative number. Hold on. All right, and I'm going to go up here. I'm going to click on my account, and I'm going to show my 30-day. All right. So this was last month when I was playing to see if the system worked. And then went it up here, and the reason this dropped suddenly, I took the money from my account, shoved it in my pocket. That's what the loss means. That's, honestly, that number is so bullshit. To tell people that, like, oh, you've lost. I haven't lost any money. I profited from it. I put it in my pocket. But trying to show you and on film, I can't go apples to oranges here. So we got to go back to the 7 days, and I think I actually missed it by last night. See, that starts at $510 right there. Okay, I'm going to go back to the 30. And, you know, the scale is just too big. It was 460 bucks. All right, it was $500 that I couldn't get out because I deposited it the first of the month, and then I couldn't take it back out when I was taking everything else back out because I was like, I'm going to start fresh, but I trapped 500 bucks. I said, well, I'll use a $500 starter account. And then I effed something up on Bitcoin, and I lost 40 bucks the first 15 minutes. It was something I knew I shouldn't have done, and I did it anyway, and trust me, it was bad. Okay, so, but this is the 7 days since, all right? And this is what I wanted to show. I wanted to put on film. We started out with 460 bucks. We're at 642. So hold on here. Let me pull up a calculator. 642 minus 460 equals 182. Okay, they got 129, so I'm missing a day there of profit that they're not showing me. But I don't want to look at that 642. Remember, this is about revenue, not gross volume. That's what I'm worth today. If I hit the cash now button, I get 643 bucks. So I made money this week, $182 this week. Well, these are the numbers we're looking at. This $3.20 that I made today, that's the number I'm looking at. How much is that? That's one RX 580 on ETH mining. And this is only half a day. Remember, you got to go. That's why you got to go look at the other video. It's about combining mining with the trading so that we get bigger things. To make this much, I had $26, $27 a day in the tradings. And today looks like it's going to, I should have waited to the end of the day, and I could have really padded this video because right now, Bitcoin's at 46.3. Okay, on the rise again. We got our little curvature dip that took place that made us look bad. We stalled, right? We stalled a little bit. We're talking about stalling and not to panic about stalling. So we're going to go over to our deals, and we're going to look at all our fails, and it's SNX. Well, I actually got some profit out of SNX somewhere in the morning. Raven coin fails. This is one of the reasons I want to put this on film is because I want to add some money. Because I built too many bots. They're stalling, and I'm getting that failed. Every time that thing said failed, I should have made 50 cents, 60 cents. You know, that would have been another whole set of trades in there. All right. And I'm going to announce the goal here. So I sat down and thought about what's my goal. What should be my goal for you to follow along with me while you're going to subscribe? I'm going to get to $50 a day in mining. Okay. Why $50 a day? Because the system that I've showed you at $50 a day, I can directly put Bitcoin every day into my trading account without a double transfer. Right now we're showing you the peer coin transfer because I can get paid faster and I can build up my trading account faster. But I want to get to where I'm putting $50 a day of the stuff that's plugged into my wall right into my wallet, making me more money. So that's our goal. Follow along. Make sure you hit subscribe. You want to see how well I'm doing or if I'm going to blow it up in my face. Either way will be fun for you. It should be fun for all of us. I appreciate it. Thank you.